Hi there, here I am again. I'm just going to show you a quick trade that I did early this morning. This is normally best times to trade I find are between 7 AM and 11 AM. However, I normally get up around about 5:30ish, 6ish, check the chart, see what's been happening, see where the overall trend is going. And this morning I managed to pick up a trade quite early. What I have my chart set up here is I have various moving averages. Basically I use those as indicators to tell me when to enter and exit a trade. I also trade off pivot points, which you can see here. We've got support level 1. Further up we've got the main pivot point here. So it's in between these two pivot points at the moment. And what happens this morning is we've got what normally happens over the evening time is, especially the pound dollar, will move into a small channel as there's not much trading going on during that time, and it's always good to check out, see if it breaks out the day after or early in the morning. Let's make this chart smaller so you can see the overall trend is down. So the safest bet is to trade this particular currency as it's going down. We're looking for previous lows on the day. Today's Monday, so there's only 3 hours of trading on Sunday evening, the day before, so it may be worth taking in consideration the lows that were on there as well. So if I make this slightly larger, I opened the charts this morning around about 5:30, and you can see this candle had come down to previous lows here and here. There is, however, some more lows here which are on Sunday where they've reversed, so I chose to play it safe and to try and get into the trade below this low. As you can see, around about at 6:10 it went through this price here. I entered the trade at 15,577. I followed the trade down. I watched this candle go back, and if this candle had reversed much more than that, I probably would have got out before I came into a loss. As it happens, it moves to the next candle and dropped down, went below this point here and started to reverse. I got out of the trade just as it came level with this candle at 15,563. That gave me an overall 14 pip profit at £10 a pip, £140. The reason I got out at that point, even though it does come down further and does reach this support level, which it probably would have done, and I knew that as well, but I have a limit. My my target for a day is 10 pips, £100 a day, £100 a day, 5 days a week, 4 weeks a month, £2,000 a month tax free. I'm quite happy with that. If this had been moving quicker and wasn't reversing quite so much, I would have stayed with it. If we'd had another candle like this, for instance, straight after, and then another one, but as it's being pushed back here, that shows me that somebody's trying to push the price back up. So I chose to play it safe and get out at that point. As you can see, it carried on, continued down here quite a lot further. Now the reason I got out there is if we go back, a period of time here, you'll see that there's resistance, quite a bit of resistance here at 5560, where it failed to break and reversed about 80 pips. So that would have well taken my stop loss out. I wasn't prepared to go 80 pips against me, so I decided to get out at that point where it's tried to come down here, reversed, tried to come down here, reversed. If you'd stayed with it, obviously you could have come right down to the pivot point here and got out on that reversal or on this green candle here, and you would have had altogether 30 pip profit. As you can see, it's reversed all the way back up to 15,627, past the psychological number. And what I'm waiting for now is, this is the live price here as it is at the moment. 15569.5.3. It has started to come back down. Again, I'm waiting for it to suppress previous price action, so I'll be looking for candles to open and close below this pivot point here, to suppress this previous low. I'll probably be looking to get into this trade at 15,530, and another psychological number here, quite a large one because it's 00, 15500. I'll be looking at that as my profit target, which gives me a nice 30 pips again if we can get into that trade. But again, I'll be looking for my 10 pip profit limit. If it hits that or doesn't look like it's going to go past that, I'll either take 80% of my profit out, leave £2 a pip running, or I'll take the whole lot out if it doesn't look like it's going to go much further. But this is in an overall downward trend, as I've already shown. So, as you can see here, it is the lowest it's been since June last year, which is when we were in recession, so I wouldn't be surprised to see this reverse, but also I wouldn't be surprised for it to make a new low, so we'll see what happens. If I was going to buy this trade eventually, the price I'll be looking for is through this main pivot point here, and I'll be looking at 5,700 as a profit target, and then to re-enter the trade after it passes 5,715. Okay, that's all today. If you want to know more about how we trade, visit the website www.bankonadam.com and sign up to the double trigger system, and also sign up to Colin's private members club, which is where we trade live 3 times a day, and you can watch Colin as he trades live, and if you want you can just copy. Simple as that. Thanks for watching.